Hey everybody, Dr. Brad over at Gillespie Family Chiropractic. Wanted to walk everybody through what an adjustment looks like here in our office. So we start each adjustment with a leg check. And Mandy here, she has a right short leg and she lays down on the table. It doesn't mean that this leg grew faster than this leg, it just means that she's compensating somewhere else up the spine. And right now, it's likely her pelvis. So we're going to make our first adjustment on the pelvis. In this case, her left pelvis isn't moving all that well, so we're going to adjust that. And you hear baby in the background, so everything's fine. So after that first adjustment there on her left pelvis, her legs are balanced. So from there, we move from the ground up to check each level in the spine. So Mandy, our first test, squeeze your knees together. Okay. Looks good there. Put your right hand on your low back. Okay, back down. Put your left hand on your low back. Okay. So she's showing up at L4 here. That's the fourth lumbar vertebra. Put both arms on your low back. Okay, back down. Put your right hand up by your head. Okay. Bring that arm down. Put your left arm up by your head. Okay, back down. Put both arms up by your head. Alright, so we're moving up to T8 here, the 8th thoracic vertebra. So the cool thing about this technique is that we don't necessarily have to adjust every single bone in the spine. There's 24 bones in the spine. And the great thing about this particular technique is that we figure out what areas aren't really doing their best job from a motion standpoint, and we just help correct those. We have 24 bones in our spine. Not all of them need to be adjusted. Turn your head to your right. Okay. Keep that head turned. Raise your right shoulder off the table. Okay. Turn your head back. So right now we're adjusting T4, and a T4 is kind of the foundation of our neck, believe it or not. So if you think about the foundation of your home, if you have a crack in the foundation, you're eventually going to have problems upstream of that. So T4 acts that way for our neck, so that adjustment really helps the neck function and move well. Turn your head to your right again. Now shrug your shoulders. Good. Shrug your shoulders and roll back. Good. Okay. Squeeze your right elbow to your side. Good. Squeeze your left elbow to your side. All right. Head back to the middle. Now we're getting up into the neck. So we're isolating each bone as we go. So we're very specific in what we're doing. Look straight up ahead and back down. Look to your left. Okay. Head back to the middle. Tuck your chin down to your chest and relax. So Mandy's been having some headaches recently, and headaches can be influenced by how the upper neck moves, and she's showing up with some abnormal movement patterns up here at C1 and C2, which is essentially where the brain, the spinal cord meet. So by adjusting that area, we essentially influence everything else downstream of that. Go ahead and press your face into the table and relax. Good. All right, so we're balanced down here at the legs, both at the beginning and when we put the legs in motion. That means my job's done. So we can do that throughout the entire spine and the entire body. We can isolate each single bone. We can isolate each single joint, whether it be a knee, an ankle, an elbow, a shoulder, whatever the need is. So that's what an adjustment looks like here in the office. Hope you guys enjoyed.